Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see message requests on Messenger. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So did you know that on Messengers, there is an hidden message? How to see the message request in Messenger? It's very simple. First of course, we have to open our Messenger. And if you see in here, there's no, here's your main message list on Messenger. If you want to see the message request, you can go in here. There's like three lines over here in the bottom left, bottom right here. And you'll find there's an option message requests. So here's all the message requests that you have from people you may know and spam. So Facebook will automatically filter spam message and request message on your Messenger or Facebook. It's very simple, right? And if you want to see the message, you can just open it like this. You can accept, or you can block, or you can delete it. It's all up to you. So it's very simple. If you want to see the message requests and Messenger, select a menu and choose on message request. If you don't like the message request, you can select chats, select on the chats, and you can delete it or you can just leave it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see message requests on Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.